what constitutes user experience, and especially in a big organization like Microsoft, like where people have very specialized responsibilities.
Yeah.
How do you kind of, because the end user is not going to experience your product in slices, right? They experience the whole product.
The thing that surprised me the most in my entire career, and it still holds true to this date, is once you sit down with your team, and it's a group sport like all of you mentioned, and you're trying to articulate exactly what it is that the target user is trying to do with your product, with what is the intended use of it? Because that is, back to Haresh, your comment on what is UX, you try to get the user from A to Z. Okay, so what is that A to Z, right? And it is interesting to me still today, like how much variation and belief is what that A to Z is, and how hard it can be for all of us to articulate that A to Z for each tool, for each sub part inside the tool, and so on, smaller scale, larger scale. And getting that right, actually, what is it that we want to give our users and help them to get through with, and articulating that well, setting goals around that, and then sticking to that. The magic for me is getting that right. And then if you then meticulously measure, and iterate over that, then you get a good product at the end. But that beginning part, I think, is still very key to getting to what you want to get to.